cleared all of this out with my tractor. From this tree all the way to back there was covered, poison ivy, poison oak, bunch of other stuff. So with the help of my friend Mr. Moss and my handy tractor, I got to clear it out. What I do now, about once a month, I come through here and I with the tiller and till it all up to keep this stuff from growing back. This is a house that came with the property. You couldn't see the house at all from the street or from any other side. So we had to cut our way in from the front all the way back to that clearing right there. All the trees along this front edge, it was covered in trees. You couldn't see. Some people say I should have left it for covering concealment. I say forget all that. Here's the a better view of all the stuff that I cut out. And then all these trees along the road I cut out, most of them. My burn pile. And the property goes all the way over to that culvert that you see laying on the ground. Yeah, right over there. That's where my property line stops. Got some other videos of me clearing out all these trees. This little clearing right here, it was covered in trees. So I was pushing them down, knocking them over. Because my property line goes all the way back up in there to the light pole. This area back here was super dense, and I had to push down a lot of trees back here too with the tractor. You couldn't walk through this area at all either. My little dense forest over there, like some creepy stuff. That's going across to the other side, and here's a view from the back. This is the area that I tilled up for some additional gardening, all the way up to those some burn barrels up there. So it's filled all the way up to them and all the way across to here. Over here we got the back side of the garden, and you can see where Tanya's container is. There's the driveway going up front. Some of her grain barrels. I can go through there, but I got a flatbed trailer over there. So let's take you guys around the garden. So this is the back side of her garden. We just added all of this area back here. And then some of her other areas, the tall stuff you see, that's onions and leeks and peppers. In this new area right here, we got these beds. The black area is the one you can walk. And you can see tomatoes and peppers and what else is out here? Lettuce. There's some jalapenos, banana peppers, bell peppers, tomatoes, I think big beef tomatoes, cucumbers, squash and zucchini, and then far down the other end is some melons. So we got some more rows we can plant on out here, which is the thing. But all this stuff here was planted in like the last 2 weeks, and it coming out really good, 2 to 3 weeks. So. Loki, get out of there. Here we got the back side of the house, and my dog just got in my burn barrel so I can burn this stuff. I'm gonna kill him later. That way Peter don't come and get me for unethical treatment of animals. Anyway. So I'm gonna go park this thing out by the road so these guys can come pick it up, get it tomorrow. We couldn't get these moved. I'm really mad about that, but because the equipment we have wasn't gonna work. If I'd have had 2 of these, we'd have all 7 containers on the ground or on the piers, but we worked with what we got. We saved those for another day and we'll move on. Joint. Here's the driveway I put in. It ain't perfect, so don't judge me. Hot rod over there. Other stuff. These are some solar lights that we put in. They're really nice. We got about 10 of them throughout the property, coming up the driveway so we can see. that's a quick tour. And there's our old house that came with the property. I don't know if I'm gonna save it. I don't know if I can save it. I'm not really worried about it right now. Here's my other wood burning pile. Get out of this drought crap and I'll burn that too. Or chip it up. Alright. That's a quick tour. Get the sun out of your face. It's a quick tour of the Floyd Family Farm. Thanks for checking us out.